The most overlooked thing in the ball earth versus flat earth debate is what the definition of proof is. Proof is defined as the evidence or argument that compels the mind to accept an assertion as true. What this means is that just because proof is provided does not mean that you have to accept the corresponding assertion as truth. For example, when ball earthers say,
"We went to the moon. There's video proof."
we can take a look at that video and determine for ourselves whether or not we accept that proof to indicate truth. So as you navigate the ball earth versus flat earth debate, you'll encounter a lot of proof from both sides, and the ball earth proof will counter the flat earth proof and vice versa. It is up to you to determine what you believe to be true. Another example, ball earthers will often say,
ships disappearing over the horizon is proof that the Earth is round.
If you send a ship straight to the horizon, eventually it begins to disappear until it's no longer visible beyond your horizon.
Right.
And you should ask yourself, what kind of surface would produce that result? However flat they would have imagined the Earth to be, they couldn't have accepted it to be completely flat, because otherwise you would never not see the ship.
disregarding the fact that a man who wears glasses thinks he has infinite vision, the rest of his argument seems like compelling proof. Are we convinced that the Earth is spherical? No? Why not? Because ships that disappear over the horizon can be brought back into view with zoom technology. If you can bring a ship back into view after it has disappeared over the supposed curvature of the Earth, then clearly the horizon is not the curvature of the Earth, but rather the limit of our vision. This is explained because human sight converges at a single point in the center of our vision, and eventually, any object, no matter how large, will always disappear from our sight at great enough distances. Objects will obviously disappear from our sight at smaller distances in the lower atmosphere, since the lower atmosphere is more dense than the upper atmosphere, which makes it difficult to see long distances when looking straight ahead as compared to looking at the sky. When confronted with this counterproof, ball earthers don't have much of a response. Angry dwarf YouTubers like former high school teacher, adjunct Professor Dave, tend to get really mad at cameras.
You all love whipping out your Nikons so much that I wouldn't be surprised if a Nikon executive dreamt up the entire Flat Earth hoax as a viral marketing campaign.
Right. That's an excellent argument, Professor.
Paging Doctor.
At the end of the day, you need to determine for yourself what truth is. If you're interested in learning about Flat Earth, I recommend checking out Eric Dubay's content. I'd start with the top 20 proofs Earth is not a globe, or the history of Flat Earth. The former video is very scientific and straightforward, while the latter provides excellent context for Flat Earth and adjacent topics.